Hello guys, welcome back. Have you ever wondered how video call application really works? Like Google Meet, Zoom, and the rest? Or have you ever wondered how phone call really works? In this video, I'm going to walk you to behind the scene how video call application really works. So let's get started. In order to make a phone call, you first need to have your phone on. So in order to communicate, two peers to communicate with each other, their webcam must be on. So you need to allow. So first you click on start camera. So there will be a prompt over here. So you need to grant it access. So let's click on allow. So realize that my local stream over here is now on. As you can see here, my local stream is now on. And over here we have connected, which is true. So I am the caller. And this one is the remote stream. The remote stream is the other user. So let's call it either receiver or callee. So this one is disconnected. So there is it. Over here there is nothing. The other user must also on their webcam, right? They must also on their phone in order for us to be able to communicate. So you need to click on start camera. So as you can see over here, the other user phone is also on. So as you can see, there is it. But over here, we are not seeing anything here because they have not dialed the number, right? So to dial the number, right, you first need to create an offer. The offer is simply dialing the number, the person that you want to call. So you create an offer. So there is it. So there is the offer. So the offer comes with what? Local session description, JSON format, right? So that's the data over here. So this is my local session description. So mean the other person is calling. So you first copy this one since we are not using signaling server, you need to copy it. So you need to copy it from this one. So it's ringing, is dialing. The other person here will receive it. So that's the remote session description, which is this one, which is here. Now the other person must answer. That's the remote, the receiver. This guy is a receiver. The receiver must what? Answer the call. So in order to answer it, we need to create an answer here. So the other person answer comes with its own local session description. So which is this one. So you copy it, then paste it here. So they will exchange their session description. Both peers will exchange their session description. That's what we are doing. Then after that, you add remote description. Right, when connection is being established, that's when the two peers will be able to see their local and remote stream. So how do we add the remote description? So you just click on this one. So realize that connection is being established. So the two peers are communicating with each other. So as you can see here, okay. We also have functionality to mute our microphone and also the other user microphone. We also have, that's the remote. We also have functionality to mute our webcam, that's our video, as you can see here. We also have functionality to toggle a dark mode and white mode, as you can see here. Now let's go back to the code and see how it works. So this is my CSS. This is my CSS here. Then I also have my HTML code here. Now let's go to the vanilla JS. So I have the I server, as you can see here. Then over here is a theme toggle. So theme toggle dot add event. So when the user click on this one, what I'm saying is that when the user click on it, just change the theme to moon or sun. So as you can see here, when the user click on, so this one over is a CSS style. So if you scroll up, we have light mode and dark mode. So there is it. So as you can see, okay, so there is it. As you can see here, so the logic is working fine. Then also when the user click on toggle audio button, check and see whether the local stream is true, is set to true. So if it's true, then get the audio tracks. So there is it. Then if the audio track is enabled, just disable it. If or else, so this one over is either true or false based on what is being written here. Then over here is just update the media button. To the media button, so let me check, let me show you. So realize that over here the microphone over here is what? Muted. So let me unmute it. So as you
So as
can
you
see
see
here,
here,
okay.
okay.
Then
Then
okay, let me go back. Then we also have start quality monitoring. So this one over is responsible for the quality of the sound or the video, as you can see here. So that is the quality of the sound or the video, which is this one. Then we also have toggle remote audio button over here. Then update connection status. So if the user is connected or not, this one over here, so it will update it based on whether the user is connected or not. Are you okay? Which is that one. That's what the logic, the functionality is doing. Then we also have show toast. So this one is responsible for the notification that we are seeing there. And update media button, which is this one. So this one is responsible for update media button. Okay. Then we have start camera, which is this one. So the start camera is simply when the phone is on. So when the user click on this one, so when the user click on this one, right, that's the start camera, indicating that the phone is on. So when the user click on it, what I'm saying is that just disable the camera button, then add a spinner to it, as you can see here. Then local stream over here, we have something here. Then attach the local stream to the local video. Then update the connection status to true. Then this one, the camera and microphone is initialized. This is just serving as a notification, right? Then we have initialized peer connection, as you can see here. Then what else do we have? So this one I'm checking to see whether the state is connected, disconnected, or failed, right? So if it's connected, then do this. If it's disconnected, then do this. If it's failed to, then do this, right? So that for debugging. Okay. Then this one is handle page reload. So when the user refresh the page, this code is responsible for that. And document load, then you add this stuff here. Okay. And as I said earlier, we also have functionality to enable light mode and dark mode. Okay. So that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Happy coding. Bye for now.